Converge bounces back from their loss with a victory over Phoenix. Welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Franco Atienza, and our best player of the game, Justin Baltazar. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, we had a slower start today, but you were able to offset that by holding on to your lead in the succeeding quarters. What was the X factor that greatly contributed to the team's success today?
Yeah, first of all, we'd like to offer this thing to the Lord. Kaya ito sa medyo maganda din yung nilaro nila. They threw different events against us and win nila mataas din. In terms of that, medyo to start unlike the last game, ngayon medyo slow start kami. Medyo talagang nangapa kami dun sa isa depensa nila. And then, mabuti na lang na kahit paano nag-balance out kami towards the rest of the game. I feel that the players were just, we were caught off guard. Parang medyo jittery, if you could say that. But at the end of the day, it's competition. Gusto mo yung challenge ka, gusto mo for you to improve them. And I'm just glad that our team, our players was able to adjust, nag-settle down kahit paano. And yung huli, medyo yung huli. We have to be able, like the Merano game, we have to be able to learn how to finish. If there's more time, baka nagka-problema kami. So that's one thing that we will talk about after this game. How to sustain yung momentum namin hanggang dulo, how to finish stronger. And I'm just glad kasi the two Justins here, we were able to assert our might in terms of presence alone, at saka yung Ambi. And of course, all the other guys, I think we had 4 guys in double digits, almost 5, which is 9 points. Yeah, it's our total team effort. And masyado maaga pa. But we have to set our balance right, especially in the next game namin, medyo yung schedule sunod-sunod, kaya din yung Wednesday, that's already tough. We're up to it. I think we're up to it.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Naubati na mention na nga ni Coach Franco kanina. Bagong lokong Converge ngayon dahil dati nag-iisa lang si Justin Arana at ngayon sabay din ang pinatapos ang laro. Nabanggit din ni Justin Arana kanina na komportable siya dahil nandiyan ka na katulong niya ngayon. How does Justin Arana just complement your game or help bring out your best game?
Yun lang kasi si Justin talagang hirap na hirap nung wala ako. So, yun nga, nag-uusap kami na kailangan ko siyang tulungan. And then yung team, kasi nga, dahil kami sa talo. So, hindi kami pwede mag-relax. Katulad nga sinabi ni Coach na sa 4th quarter talaga kami na nagkakaproblema. So, kailangan namin pagkagawin.
Thank you, Balti. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
So you touch upon your next game against Magnolia on Wednesday. Tough game for you guys. Also, Magnolia was coming off a win. Is your thoughts on that game? And also last conference na pinalo ko sila.
Well, yung game na yun, tough din yung, I think 1 point yata yung come from behind. Magnolia sa tough team, ano yun Perennial title contender, playoff team yun for sure, one of the top teams dito. And then we saw kung gaano ka-sharp yung players nila last night. Ganda ng game nila, they have parang marami yung dumalim yung rotation, and then the veterans are there, Paroka played well, Ian Santalan played well, of course, sila Calvin, and then yung mga up-and-coming stars nila, sila Stimosa for sure, and even Peter Alfaro was doing a great job. So, magiging magandang test sa amin to. But we will, for sure, we will give them a good fight. We will prepare hard for them. And it will be a good game come Wednesday. Maiging dog fight.
Panti, last conference na breaking ka. For sure, this conference, malaki expectation sa'yo, pati sa region mo, especially yung Pilipino na local talaga yung plaza.
Yun nga, malaking expectation sa akin ng Converge. So, kailangan ko mag-double effort dito. lalo na kay Justin, pag nagsasabay kami o hindi, kailangan namin talaga mag-usap, lalo yung mga leads namin, kailangan namin step up. Kasi kailangan namin dito mga panalo ng lalo na yung mga pag-dold up yung kasunod na laro namin.
Justin against Magnolia, baka ma-match up ka sa pero mabalin mo si Calvin Abueto. Ian Sangla lang yung tingin mo dun sa mga matchups mo.
Siguro magiging ready lang ako kasi yun yung mga kuya ko mga kapampangan. Kasi last conference, di ko na kalaban. So yun na, magiging ready lang ako sa mga kuya ko.
Yung mga previous na games ka bang nakalaban na sila kahit na wala pa? First time lang. Kahit sa Pampanga, hindi ko wala. Coach, ano lang, medyo naging physical yung game. The latter part ba? Ano lang?
Nawala ano lang yun, parang competition lang yun. Normal yun. Of course, in a battle, because of the high level of competitiveness of these players, because of their drive and their will to be nagkakaroon ng pero for sure, magkasalubong yan sa labas. Okay na yun. Kasi yun ang naman yung nature. And yun yung maganda kasi everyone's willing to compete. So, I just have to believe that yung high level of competition, willingness to win and willingness to lay out on the floor. Pag nakita yan sa labas, magpapat niya mag-handshake yan. At kamaya na naman sa bitangan. And it's just part of competition.
Coach, with Jordan heading out, paano nyo balak po na yung access niya, especially yung outside shooting?
Well, Jordan is up front. Top 5 dun sa BPC. Number 4 yun. I think is 17 points per game, almost 18. Hindi mapapadala isang tao. It's a siguro a committee or a team din ang pinagdala. He brings a lot to the table. But kung hindi pa siya available while waiting for him, we have 15 other guys who will hold the fort. And ano naman kami, we are confident na kung ano yung mawala or habang hinihintay namin si Jordan, these guys are ready to step up. Actually, we are excited sino yung mag-step up, sino yung mag-step up. Because again, with everything that he brings to the table, it's a big shoes to fill in. And the only way that to fill that in is a team effort, At the end of the day, basketball is a team thing. And we plan to keep it that way.
That sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and
Thank you guys.
congratulations.
Thank you.